Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. Now, the embarrassing bottle throwing incident during the recent Red Stripe Premier League final continues to have ripple effects as plastic bottles will be banned from being used inside the National Stadium. Major Desmond Brown, General Manager of Independence Park Limited, which is responsible for the maintenance of the National Stadium, argues that the incident could have damaged Jamaica's ability to host international sporting events.
Consequently, we are putting in some measures to try to mitigate against that. And one of the things, we're going to have a proper press release on this, but one of the things I want patrons to know now, they will not be allowed to bring in any drinks in their luggage. And when drinks are being sold, whether by vendors or concessionaires, it will be sold in cups. I know it's a little change, but if we don't do that, we run the risk. If we have another incident like this, we may be playing our reggae girls and reggae boys matches in Miami.
Major Brown sought to make it clear that this is not a practice that will be unique to Jamaica.
And I want the public to understand that that is what is done in other stadia, and we're going to have to do that in Jamaica. So that is what we're going to start doing.
The timeline for the ban to be implemented will be decided soon.